Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to buy discounted courses on Udemy's Black Friday sale. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to buy discounted courses on Udemy during Black Friday, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Udemy application and be sure to be logged into your account. Then once that's done, what you need to do is make a wish list or cart before the sale goes up. All you gotta do is tap on the wish list on the bottom of your screen and then go to the wish list that you want or the products or courses that you want and add them to your wish list or cart. And when the sale starts, it's much faster to check out the discounted prices to buy them before they go up or sell out. The next is to subscribe to Udemy emails or notifications. So to do it, all you gotta do is simply head over back and tap on your My Account icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then under account settings, tap on push notifications, and here you'll find the option that says special offers right here. Simply toggle this on. Then next is to use coupon codes when available. Some instructors share Black Friday specific coupons that gives you more discount than the standard price. All you gotta do is check for it on the given product, and some of the codes will be listed right here, and you can check the coupon aggregator sites for valid Udemy codes. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.